In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the triple top chart pattern, quick and easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find the tool inside Tradingview, how to add it to your chart, and how to set yourself up so you can spot this pattern much more efficiently. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and that you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine for this walkthrough. Once your chart is in front of you, look towards the top of the screen for the main toolbar. Here, you'll see a button labeled Indicators. This is where Tradingview stores all of its built-in tools, from moving averages to pattern recognition features. Go ahead and click on the Indicators button. This will open a window that might look a bit overwhelming at first, because there are a lot of options. Don't worry about all of that. At the very top of this window, you'll see a search bar. Instead of scrolling through the entire list, you'll use this search bar to quickly find what you need. Click inside the search bar and type the word triple. As you start typing, Tradingview will automatically filter the results and show you anything related to the word you entered. Among the results, you should see an item called Triple Top Chart Pattern. This is the specific tool we want to use. Now, move your mouse over the Triple Top Chart Pattern option and click it once. As soon as you do this, Tradingview will add the pattern tool to your chart. If the conditions are met on the price action you're looking at, you'll see the pattern highlighted directly on your chart, making it a lot easier to recognize these potential reversal zones instead of trying to eyeball them every single time. If nothing appears right away, that simply means there isn't a clear triple top in the section of price you're currently viewing. You can zoom out, scroll back through price history, or change time frames to see if the pattern shows up elsewhere. The tool will automatically scan the data and mark the pattern whenever it detects a valid setup based on its internal rules. To round things out, if you want more features, extra alerts, and overall smoother charting, consider checking out the Tradingview Pro link in the description of this video. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it also unlocks more advanced capabilities that can make using tools like the triple top chart pattern even more powerful.